Millions of Americans are due at the end of the week. And because of the coronavirus pandemic, a growing number of them will have difficulty paying them. But as News 5's Jordan Vandenberg explains, some lenders think the worst of it may be over.
At issue is what's called mortgage forbearance. Now let's rewind for a moment and go back to the early days of the pandemic. Back in mid-March, Congress passed the CARES Act, and as part of that legislation, homeowners could have their mortgage payments reduced or put on pause entirely. Nearly 4 million homeowners in this country have done that in hopes of going fast forward to the day the economy reopens.
The government and most private lenders did not want to see people lose their house because of the corona pandemic.
Ed Hensley is the president of the Ohio Mortgage Bankers Association, and as a lender himself, he says his industry is in uncharted waters. The mortgage forbearance program is supposed to buy homeowners and lenders alike time until hopefully the economy fully reopens.
How many of those workers get called back, and how does that bring those numbers down, and how quick does it bring those numbers down? Is it going to bring them back down to where they were? Not overnight.
That being said, Hensley says there appears to be a light at the end of the tunnel, even as the unemployment rate increased to an unprecedented 14.7%. Hensley doesn't expect this economic downturn to cause the housing market to collapse like it did in 2008 because home values have largely remained steady.
I think we'll know the answer to that more in the next really 4 to 6 months as to what happens.
As for what you should do if you are in need of mortgage forbearance, Hensley says that it is vital that you reach out to your lender right away to see what types of programs or plans might be available. In Cleveland, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.